All right, fellow AMC stockholders, X-Max Trading here. I'm going to go over some pretty interesting DD from the New York Post talking about, this is from Charles Gasparino. Oh, this jerk face. Anyway, this is from New York Post. Came out just today, November 15th. So let's go over it. Hit the subscribe channel if you haven't subscribed already, and hit the like button. Help the channel out with the content. And let's get started. So Charles Gasparino, Italian mafia guy, seems like. Are the stock cultists pumping AMC shares? Of course, he has to pick like the worst image of Adam Aron, who has been busy building the company up. And yeah, it may look a little disheveled, whatever, but yeah, he's trying to this is a bear attack on the company. This Gasparino guy loves Kenneth Griffin. Wish him happy birthday. Yeah, this guy wished Kenneth Griffin a happy birthday. Ridiculous. AMC Theater's Adam Aron has been boosted by aggressive ape investors slinging the praises of the stock and run up its price in the face of industry bumps from COVID-19. AMC Theater's teetering on movie theater chain with the stock that trades like a fang was supposed to skyrocket even further last week on the breakout quarter, igniting a short squeeze that would crush company naysayers. That was the word on social media, promoted by stock's ardent cult-like following who call themselves AMC apes. We're apes because we're not even geniuses. We know what to do, right? Not financial advice, but most apes are buying and holding because of a short squeeze, because all tons of shorts they think are there. Not financial advice. Yes, the company had a decent quarter, though hardly a breakout. There was a run-up in shares before earnings hit the tape, bolstered in large part by those affirmated apes and their media boosters, who yearn so much for social media approval they will indulge with apes' baseless predictions. Media boosters who yearn for social media approval? What the hell? But when the dust settled Monday's earnings, AMC shares fell more than 11%. Well, that wasn't by the apes. They were buying. There is no short squeeze, of course, according to him, because the stock fell. Squeezes occur when short sellers betting a stock will crumble have to scramble to buy shares as stock surges. For his part, Adam Aron, a very capable CEO, announced good cheer, things are getting better, people are getting vaccinated, movies are coming back. And he also announced he would sell 53 million of his stock, which is not necessarily a bad thing. Not that I like that, but Wanda sold millions of shares back in February, and we still had a squeeze in late May. But he was clear to point out the company faces tremendous challenges. The pandemic continues to depress moviegoing, and of course streaming is a viable alternative to people who had the experience of spending money to sit next to someone who can't keep their mouth shut during the show. I don't know what he's talking about. I mean, that very rarely happens in the movie theaters I go to, and the AMC ones. To make up for long-term negative trends, AMC entered the crypto business. AMC accepting crypto as payment for a ticket. Adams may develop its own digital coin. Plus, AMC will now go on the full popcorn business. It will not only sell high-priced product to moviegoers, but also sold in malls and stores and elsewhere. Yes, you can stream your favorite movie and sidestep the theater inconvenience and still have the AMC popcorn. People go to movie theaters because it's better than streaming at home. If you can cook at home, why do you go to restaurants? Because you want a better experience. So I don't know why he's a stock basher. And if you still have your AMC popcorn, you're still helping the company with revenue. So most apes, not financial advice, are going to be buying movies and popcorn and maybe the merchandise AMC has to help the company out. That's not financial advice. While AMC apes claim that with their skyrocket the price could point to a pump and dump. Yeah, right. Talk about diversification. What an idiot. Which brings me back to those apes. He hates the apes, guys. Charles Gasparino hates apes. They make a lot of noise about the markets being rigged, even as AMC hovers well above the penny stock level of its earnings, losses suggest. They say AMC would be flying to the moon. It's if it weren't anonymous for short sellers applying their magic in dark pools to suppress the company that's really killing it. There are dark pools. There is shorts. There is, high frequency trading and ladder attacks and all that. There is. He's just trying to attack us. By the way, despite all the rigging, Motherboard, the MOAS, will be pushing shares $100 and beyond, they contend, so jump on board. So some may believe this is more likely, but to believe it, you need it to suspend reality. Stock is easily borrowed. And short sale, you borrow, sell, and show. It's easily borrowed from the ETFs. I think AMC apes by now have the float locked up. All across the world, people bought the stock. In my opinion, not financial advice. Thus, the potential of a short squeeze is about as low as President Biden giving a coherent press conference, whatever. Yet they sold this conflicting, idiotic BS yarn to a gaggle of gullible and reporters, and even SEC Gary Gensler, who is making noise, who wants to crack down on all manner of alleged trading abuses cited by the apes. Well, the apes are right about that. I know Gary needs some friends in Congress, is on the verge of turning red, making his push into corporate wokeism. What the hell? All more difficult. But if you were playing straight, he'd look deeper into AMC and Berglio, leaving the short sellers and major traders out there for his investigation. He would look deeper into AMC and Berglio, leaving the short sellers and major traders out of his investigation. Good Lord, he's trying to bail out the short sellers who are doing manipulative tactics and trying to hurt the company. He would then focus on the possible garden variety pump and dump, something that would make Wolf of Wall Street Belfort proud. Hucksters spreading BS so thick they lure the average person to make a quick buck teetering. Promises that its shares are going to the moon. And while it obviously doesn't, they sell and pocket their winnings. I don't think that apes are hodling. Again, I'm not comparing apes to fraudsters, but I am going on with stock sounds like something that used to spark one of those patented SEC investigations. Let's see if Gary can take a break from investing corporate America's carbon footprint and look into how many investors may be getting ripped off. This guy is full of shit. So we learn about, Renaissance Technologies investing in AMC. We know other hedge funds are investing in alongside AMC. Some are short. A lot of them are long. And this guy just wants to throw a torch somewhere. Mayor knows Wall Street Fields, New York. God. This Charles Gasparino, an Italian mobster. Alright, till later, guys.